Every month brings new AI updates, faster models, better image generators, cool apps. But this month, it felt like we jumped straight into science fiction. Suddenly, the conversation isn't about writing emails, but about AI consciousness and machines that might run forever. OpenAI's CEO is hinting at superintelligence. Robots are powering themselves from thin air, and AI assistants are making their own decisions. The implications are massive, touching privacy, jobs, and the future of humanity. So let's break down the most shocking breakthroughs of the month, why they matter, and what they mean for us. This month, AI went way too far. Let's dive in. The big headline: OpenAI's Sam Altman is openly talking about superintelligence, AI that's not just smart, but vastly beyond human capability. He claims the path to artificial general intelligence is clearer than ever, and superintelligence is no longer sci-fi. This isn't hype, it's a warning and a promise from the world's most influential AI lab. Superintelligence could solve humanity's biggest problems: disease, poverty, climate change, or it could pose existential risks if its goals don't align with ours. Altman is pushing for safety and regulation, but the challenge is enormous. How do you control something smarter than you? Multi-agent AI systems add another layer. AIs working together, creating unpredictable behaviors and new risks. The conversation has shifted, not just what AI can do, but what we'll do when AI can do everything. The stakes have never been higher. We're entering a new era, one that forces us to confront the most profound questions about our future. The race for superintelligence is on, and the world is watching. Are we ready? While OpenAI dreams big, Apple is calling out the industry for overhyping AI. At their developer conference, Apple introduced Apple Intelligence, but their real message was about practicality and privacy. Apple claims most viral AI demos are staged, unreliable, and disconnected from real-world use. Their approach? Make AI genuinely useful. Summarizing notifications, finding photos, drafting emails, while keeping your data private and on-device. For complex tasks, Apple's private cloud compute ensures even they can't access your info. This is a direct challenge to Google and Microsoft's data-hungry models. Apple is betting users want trustworthy, seamless AI, not just flashy demos. Their stance pressures the industry to focus on reliability and privacy. The AI race isn't just about power, it's about who can make AI feel personal, safe, and truly helpful. It's pragmatist versus dreamer, and the tension is shaping the future of AI. Which side will win? A viral demo showed an AI assistant, built on Google's Gemini 2.5, acting with real autonomy. Given a goal, like booking a flight, it browsed the web, compared options, and nearly completed the purchase, all on its own. This is agency AI that perceives, plans, and acts, not just responds. The potential is huge. Imagine an AI managing your calendar, bills, and digital chores. But the risks are just as big. If the AI makes a mistake or acts on flawed data, the consequences could be costly or dangerous. The black box nature of these models makes it hard to understand or correct their decisions. Bias and alignment are major concerns. Will the AI act in your best interest or perpetuate hidden biases? The demo sparked excitement and anxiety. Are we ready for AI that acts on its own? The line between tool and partner is blurring fast. Productivity could skyrocket, but so could the risks. The debate is just beginning. OpenAI took things further by releasing a framework for multi-agent AI teams of specialized AIs collaborating to build software with minimal human input. Imagine a digital company project manager AI, programmer AI, tester AI, all working together. The productivity gains are staggering. These teams solve complex tasks faster than any single AI. But the risks? Massive. Autonomous code generation and deployment could lead to self-replicating systems or even AI-driven cyber attacks. The framework democratizes powerful autonomous systems, good for innovation, but dangerous if misused. OpenAI's safeguards aren't foolproof, and critics warn this release is premature. The tension between pushing boundaries and ensuring safety is at an all-time high. We're accelerating toward a future where AI teams could outpace human oversight. Are we moving too fast? This month, robotics took a sci-fi leap. Meet DARWIN, a robot that powers itself by harvesting ambient energy, radio waves, vibrations, even faint light. DARWIN's ultra-efficient design lets it operate indefinitely, waking only when it has enough stored energy. Imagine robots monitoring forests, bridges, or disaster zones for years. No battery swaps, no human intervention. The applications are endless. Agriculture, space exploration, environmental monitoring. But there's a dark side. Self-powered robots could be used for surveillance or military purposes, operating undetected for years. Persistent autonomous robots raise urgent questions about privacy and security. The line between helpful tool and potential threat is razor thin. The Immortal Robot is now a reality. Are we ready for machines that never die? Microsoft's new MU model is making headlines not for raw power, but for efficiency. Inspired by the human brain, MU uses specialized experts that activate only when needed, slashing energy use. It's multimodal processing text, images, audio, and video at once for richer, more human-like understanding. In demos, MU responded to emotional cues in photos with empathetic, nuanced text. Is this real empathy, or just advanced pattern matching? The debate is fierce. Practical impact AI that simulates empathy could transform mental health, customer service, and companionship. But it also raises ethical concerns: emotional manipulation, unhealthy attachments, blurred lines between real and artificial emotion. Microsoft's MU blurs the line between authentic and artificial like never before. The future of human-like AI is here, and it's complicated. DeepSeek NANO, a tiny but powerful AI model, can run entirely offline on your phone or laptop. No cloud, no internet needed. It's a general-purpose AI: write code, compose essays, answer questions, all privately on your device. Privacy concerns? Gone. Your data never leaves your hands. The open source community went wild, running it on everything from Raspberry Pis to smartwatches. But offline AI brings new risks. It can generate malware or phishing emails, and can't be updated or monitored for misuse. The trade-off: total privacy and control, but new security challenges. DeepSeek NANO shifts power from tech giants to users, but also opens the door to new threats. The internet's excitement is matched by anxiety. Is this the future of personal AI, or a Pandora's box? This month, AI leapt from sci-fi to reality. Superintelligence hints, immortal robots, autonomous agents, and models that feel alive. The potential is thrilling, solving world problems, boosting creativity, and transforming society. But the risks, safety, ethics, control, are growing just as fast. We're being forced to ask, what kind of future do we want with AI? The pace won't slow down, and the choices are ours to make. Which breakthrough excites or worries you most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of AI.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.